Outstanding design defines the 2015 Ford Explorer. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, speed-sensitive wipers, a power seat, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and cruise control. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Premium sound drives 12 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.